Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today you will listen to a real-life conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more English listening lessons for you. Every morning, Dave does the same thing before he even gets out of bed. It sounds completely normal, but one morning, that simple habit caused a very embarrassing mistake. A stranger saw something Dave never wanted anyone to see. There was an awkward conversation, a surprising discovery, and a moment that made Dave want to disappear. The strange part? If Dave had woken up just 5 minutes later, none of it would have happened. Stay until the end because this story takes a very unexpected turn. So Dave, today's topic is really simple.
Is it?
Yeah, the first thing you do every morning.
Oh, wow, that sounds boring already.
No, it doesn't. Sometimes the simplest things lead to the funniest stories.
Well, in that case, you're right.
So, tell me, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly,
Of course.
I grab my phone.
Immediately?
Immediately.
Before getting out of bed?
Yes.
Before drinking water?
Yes.
Before opening both eyes?
Okay, maybe after opening both eyes.
That's hilarious.
I know it's probably not a good habit.
You're definitely not alone.
The weird thing is, I don't even think about it anymore.
It's automatic?
Exactly. My alarm rings, I turn it off, then I start checking messages.
Social media too?
Unfortunately, yes.
Really?
Yeah. Messages, news, social media, weather, everything.
Wow.
I know. It sounds terrible.
So, how long do you stay in bed?
Usually 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Okay, maybe 15. Fine. Sometimes 20.
There it is. The truth finally comes out.
You're making me sound lazy.
I'm not making you sound lazy. You're doing that yourself.
Fair point.
So, what happened that morning?
Ah, that's where the story begins.
I knew there was a story.
It was a Tuesday.
I love how you remember the day.
Wait, maybe Wednesday.
Really?
No, actually Tuesday.
You're already confused.
That's because the morning started strangely.
What do you mean?
I woke up and grabbed my phone like always.
Okay.
Then I had a message from my friend.
Early in the morning?
Very early.
What did it say?
It said, check your front door.
That's mysterious.
Exactly.
What happened next?
I was half asleep.
Oh no.
So instead of getting up immediately, I replied first.
Of course you did.
Then I spent a few minutes scrolling through social media.
Dave!
I know.
Someone tells you to check your front door and you start scrolling?
Looking back, that was a terrible decision.
Seriously?
Seriously.
So what was at the door?
Well, that's the strange part.
Don't stop now.
When I finally got up, I opened the door.
And?
There was a package.
That's it?
That's what I thought, too.
Wait, something feels wrong.
You're right.
What happened?
The package wasn't addressed to me.
Really?
Not even close.
Then who was it for?
Someone I've never heard of.
That's weird.
Very weird.
So then what did you do?
I picked it up.
Okay.
And that's when everything started going wrong.
Oh no.
Because someone was suddenly standing behind me.
No way.
Yep.
So you're standing there holding a stranger's package.
In my pajamas. And then this person says something that completely shocked me.
What did they say?
Well, wait, that's not even the worst part.
Okay, Dave, you can't stop there.
I know.
So you're standing outside your apartment in pajamas, holding a package that doesn't belong to you,
Exactly.
and someone suddenly appears behind you?
Yep.
What did they say?
The person looked at me and said, "Excuse me, are you Dave?"
Wait, they knew your name?
That's what scared me.
Really?
Yeah, I froze for a second.
I would be so nervous.
Me too. My brain wasn't working yet. I had just woken up.
So who was it?
It was a woman I'd never seen before.
Oh, no.
She looked at the package and then looked at me.
That's already awkward.
Very awkward.
Then what happened?
She smiled and said, "I think that's my package."
Oh,
Yeah,
well, that's not too bad.
that's what I thought.
Wait,
Exactly.
there's more.
A lot more.
What happened next?
I handed her the package.
Nice. Problem solved.
Not even close.
Seriously?
She suddenly started laughing.
Why?
At first, I had no idea.
Oh, no.
Then I looked down.
Dave.
And that's when I realized
What?
my t-shirt was inside out.
Not only that. No way.
My pajama pants were backwards.
You're kidding.
I wish I was.
That's hilarious.
It gets worse.
Of course it does.
My hair looked absolutely crazy.
Well, that's normal in the morning.
No, you don't understand.
How bad was it?
Imagine a bird building a nest on someone's head.
Oh my gosh.
That's basically what I looked like.
I can't stop laughing.
Thanks for the support.
Sorry. Continue.
So now I'm standing there looking ridiculous.
And she noticed everything.
Every single thing.
That's embarrassing.
Very.
What did she say?
She said, "Rough morning?" I wanted to disappear.
What did you say?
I said, "Actually, this is one of my better mornings."
No way.
It just came out.
That's hilarious.
The worst part is she laughed so hard she almost dropped the package.
Oh no.
Then she introduced herself.
Okay.
Her name was Sarah.
New neighbor?
Exactly.
Ah,
So she had moved into the building 2 days earlier.
that's crazy.
So my first impression was absolutely terrible.
Maybe she thought you were funny.
That's what my friend said later.
Wait, what friend?
The same friend who texted me.
Oh, right.
Then Sarah sent something surprising.
What?
She said, "I think your friend told me about you."
Really?
Yep.
That's weird.
Very weird.
Why would your friend talk about you?
That's exactly what I wanted to know.
So what did you do?
I pulled out my phone and texted him immediately.
Good idea.
I asked, "Why does my new neighbor know who I am?"
And?
He didn't answer.
Seriously?
Nothing.
That's suspicious.
Very suspicious.
What happened after that?
Sarah waved goodbye and went upstairs.
Okay.
I went back inside.
Finally.
I made coffee.
Good.
I sat down.
Nice.
And then my phone buzzed.
Your friend?
Yes.
What did he say?
Just 3 words.
What were they?
Don't be mad.
Oh, no.
Exactly.
That's never a good sign.
Never.
What happened next?
I opened the rest of the message, and then I looked at my phone, and my face immediately turned white.
Okay, Dave, you cannot leave us hanging like that.
I know.
Your friend sends, "Don't be mad," and your face turns white?
Yep.
What was the message?
He wrote, "I may have accidentally shown your picture to Sarah."
That's not too bad.
Keep listening.
Oh, no.
The next sentence said, "Actually, I showed her several pictures."
Several?
Several.
Are you serious?
Completely serious.
Why would he do that?
Apparently, Sarah had asked if there were any friendly people in the building.
Okay.
And my friend decided to become my personal advertising manager. Without asking me.
That's crazy.
It gets worse.
Of course it does.
He sent her photos from our group chat.
Wait,
Yep,
not the group chat.
the group chat.
Oh my gosh.
You know how group chats are.
This is going to be bad.
Very bad.
What kind of photos?
Some normal,
Okay.
some not normal.
Dave.
I was sleeping on a couch. I was trying to cook.
That's fine.
The kitchen was on fire.
What?
Just a little fire.
A little fire is still a fire.
Fair point.
What else?
One picture showed me wearing a giant banana costume.
No way!
Yes way.
Why were you wearing a banana costume?
That's a different story.
I need that story later.
Trust me, you don't.
That's hilarious.
I was already embarrassed.
I would be too.
Then my friend sent another message.
Oh no.
He said, "There's one more thing."
I hate those words.
Me too.
What was it?
He said Sarah didn't just see the pictures.
What?
She saved some of them.
You're kidding.
I wish.
Why would she save them?
I had the same question.
This story keeps getting stranger.
Exactly.
So what did you do?
I immediately called my friend.
Angry?
Very angry.
Did he answer?
He answered laughing.
That's not helping.
Not at all.
What did he say?
He said, "Relax, she thinks you're funny."
That's actually kind of nice.
Not when you've never met the person.
True.
Then he said something shocking.
What?
He said, "I think she likes you."
What?
Exactly.
No way!
That's what I said.
Seriously?
Seriously.
So what happened next?
Before I could say anything, there was a knock on my door.
Oh, no.
My heart nearly stopped.
Was it Sarah?
Yes.
I can't believe it.
Neither could I.
What did you do?
I panicked. I looked around my apartment
Why?
because it was a disaster.
Oh, no.
Dirty dishes,
Yep.
clothes everywhere,
Classic.
empty coffee cups.
Dave.
I know.
So Sarah is outside the door,
Yes.
and your apartment looks terrible.
Exactly.
That's embarrassing.
Very.
Did you open the door?
Eventually.
Eventually?
I spent 30 seconds trying to clean everything.
30 seconds?
It felt productive.
It wasn't.
It really wasn't.
So you open the door.
And Sarah is standing there smiling.
What did she want?
That's the weird part.
Tell me.
She was holding her phone,
Okay.
and on her screen was a picture of me.
No way!
The banana costume picture.
Oh my gosh!
Then she asked a question that almost made me fall over.
What did she ask?
She smiled and said, "So, when exactly were you a banana?" I wanted the ground to open and swallow me.
That's hilarious.
I couldn't believe this was happening.
What did you say?
Honestly, I don't even remember.
That's how nervous you were?
Absolutely.
So what happened after that?
Well, nobody expected what happened next.
Okay, Dave, I need to know what happened next.
Honestly, I didn't know whether to laugh or run away.
Sarah was standing there holding the banana picture? That's still making me laugh.
Trust me, it wasn't funny at the time.
I would be dying from embarrassment.
I almost was.
So what did you tell her?
I said, "It's a long story."
Reasonable.
Then she said, "Good, I like long stories."
Oh,
Exactly.
wait a second.
I know.
Was she flirting with you?
That's what my friend said later.
That's hilarious.
At the time, I was too nervous to notice.
What happened next?
She asked if I wanted to grab coffee downstairs.
No way.
Yes.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What did you say?
Well,
Dave.
I panicked again. Instead of saying sure,
Oh no.
I accidentally said, "Why?"
What?
Exactly.
That's terrible.
I know.
That's so awkward.
The moment the word left my mouth, I knew I had made a mistake.
What did Sarah do?
She looked surprised for a second.
Oh no.
Then she started laughing.
Thank goodness.
She said, "Because normal people drink coffee." Then I started laughing too.
At least that helped.
It actually did.
So did you go?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
We sat in a small coffee shop near the building.
Were you still nervous?
Very nervous.
I would be too.
But after a few minutes, it felt easy.
That's nice.
We talked about work,
Okay.
movies,
Nice.
travel,
Good.
and unfortunately,
What?
the banana costume. She wanted the full story.
Did you tell her?
I had no choice.
What was the story?
A charity event.
That's actually a good reason.
Thank you.
For a moment, I thought it was something much stranger.
It was still pretty strange.
Fair enough.
The funny thing is, she thought the picture was hilarious.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Then she admitted something.
What?
She said the reason she moved into the building was because she didn't know anyone in the city.
Oh, wow.
She felt lonely.
That's actually kind of sad.
Yeah,
So she was looking for friends.
exactly.
And your friend decided to introduce you?
In the worst possible way. But somehow it worked.
That's crazy.
Looking back, I'm actually grateful.
Really?
Yeah,
Even after all the embarrassment?
even after all the embarrassment.
That's a nice ending.
It taught me something.
What's that?
Sometimes the things that embarrass us the most become our best memories.
Wow.
If I had stayed in bed for another 5 minutes,
You never would have met her.
exactly.
That's amazing.
And now every morning when I wake up and grab my phone,
You think about that day?
every single time.
That's actually really sweet.
Also, I make sure my clothes are not backwards. That's the most important lesson.
I can't believe the entire story started because of one simple morning habit.
Me neither.
Well, I think that's a perfect place to end.
Agreed.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.